Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Genshin Impact game. So let's get started right away. Now in order to log out from your account so that none of your information has been saved, you will need to long press on the Genshin Impact game and from the application menu, tap on the info button at the top right corner. This will now take you into the application info page, from which if the application is still running, tap on the force stop button at the bottom right corner first to stop the application. You can then scroll down and tap on storage, which will now open up the storage settings. From this page, tap on clear data at the bottom left corner and then tap on the delete button, which will clear all of your user data for the Genshin Impact game, which means you will now be logged out from your game completely. The next time you open up the game, you will be asked to log back into your account, and if you don't log back in, the game will start all the way from the beginning. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on Genshin Impact. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.